Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your home's electrical is on the same circuit and that you have at least 2 adapters and an Ethernet cable. Next, plug the adapter for the router directly into a wall outlet. Do not use a power strip. Once done, connect that adapter to your router with the supplied Ethernet cable and power it on. You'll see LEDs indicating power and Ethernet activity while the device initializes. Now you pair and optimize. Press the pair button on the router side adapter, and within 2 minutes press the pair button on the other adapter where you want network access. You'll hear or see LED confirmation. This establishes an encrypted link. After pairing, move the remote adapter to the final outlet. Avoid outlets shared with refrigerators or microwaves. Then connect the remote adapter to your device with Ethernet, and to finish, test and configure. Run an internet speed test over the Powerline link and compare it to a direct Ethernet baseline so you understand performance trade-offs. If the vendor provides firmware or an app, update settings and enable encryption if needed. This optimizes stability. If the connection fails, reset both adapters and repair, move the remote adapter to another outlet, and check your breaker box. Often interference or a different circuit is the culprit, so try those steps next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.